Hello and welcome back to Debbie J's Crafting Corner, where I show you that if I can make it, you can too. So it's now been a week since I did my first attempt at polygels, and I wanted to show you pretty much what I did wrong. I'm learning, and I have never done, you have to remember, I'm a complete amateur. I have never done anything like this before. I have played around with, I've never been good at my nails, number one. During the pandemic, I did start polishing them more and got a little better at that. Then I went on to gels and cured them with a UV light, and I got a lot better at that. And now I've moved on to trying something more because I've got really thin, weak nails regardless of what I use on them. Gel has worked out really, really well. However, when it comes off, if I don't get a chance to go ahead and get them done right then, I'm probably going to have a nail split, or sometimes I have the actual nail itself kind of flake and peel, and I don't like that. And I want stronger nails, and I want them to last longer than a week. So I did this set a week ago. Today is Thursday the 29th, and I did my nails a week ago Tuesday. So first off, I am learning that the polyform, you can use what's called duo forms. They're these little plastic pieces that basically make it so it's like a mold is what it looks like to me. So you're basically putting a little mold on your nails so that it forms correctly, so it's in the right shape. And the shapes on these look, if you just look at them in my videos, they all look nice. They're all nice and curved and shiny and stuff, but they are way too thick. Let me see if I can show you that. So this nail first popped off on my pinky let's see if I can get back here. This pinky popped off right off the bat, like within a couple of days. Actually, I think within a day or so. So what I did was I prepped it the whole bit, got everything redone, re-put on the primer, put on my base coat again, and just try to kind of do what they do with acrylics, where they put the gel on your nail and then they shape it. So that's what I attempted on that, and I think it turned out much better. It doesn't have the thickness that my other nails have, so that turned out really pretty good, I think. I'm having a really hard time trying to show this on this camera. I am not used to this setup. Okay, that's a little bit better. There, now you can see a little bit better now that I'm back a little bit. Then, but you can see the nails right next to it are way too thick, right? So this one came off as well, and I went ahead and tried doing the same thing. Actually, with this one, I found a bubble underneath it, which means I was getting air between my nail and the polygel. So that's not good. So I went ahead and filed it down with my Dremel and redid that one too. And then I had another issue with this one too. I don't remember exactly what it was, but when I did this one, when I redid my thumb, I learned a lot more on that. See, I know I need to redo all of them, but I'm going one at a time as they really need it, so that I can try to glean as much information from each time, so I don't, number one, don't waste a lot of the product, and I want to get this right. So this one, I basically wound up holding it down like this underneath my UV light while it started to cure. Now the UV light I have it's small. It's probably about this big, and I can slide my hand in there and that's fine. However, the nails are so long that I think I know what happened with it. It's like if I tapped the tip of those nail forms basically on my counter, then it pushed it up some, and that's what I think is causing these to get too big. So what I'm going to be ordering is some little nail clips. They make these little, they're kind of like the clips that we use for crafting and such. However, they give enough room for your finger to actually fit in there, so that it'll hold the nail form down tight against my actual nail bed before it starts to cure. Because I mean, look at this. They look fine. They look pretty. I mean, just, you know, I love this color. This is so pretty. They are pretty, but when you look at how much thickness there is there, I can't pick anything up with any of my nails. I'm able to do a little bit now with my forefinger here and my thumb because those are the ones that do not have a ton of extra product under there. But come on, this is, again, I am learning and it has been at least, I think it's probably been at least 8 years since I got my nails done. I started getting my nails done, getting acrylic nails right before I got married, and tomorrow is my 10-year anniversary. So I'm going to, I will do some more, I will do another review. I will be adding to this review once I get some more data.